Dear members of EFA, looking ahead to our European Free Alliance General Assembly in Llywydd, Friesland, I am glad to have the opportunity to address you all. More than 170 representatives from 35 of our EFA parties will kickstart the preparations for the 2014 European elections. One of our longest-standing member parties, Blaid Cymru, holds your spring conference on the same day. It's an exciting time for you as you present your newly elected leader to the people of Wales. On behalf of the EFA, I want to congratulate Lyn Wood on being elected as Blaid Cymru's new leader. Your leadership election was followed with great interest by other sister parties across Europe. It has been an entirely positive experience and emphasized Blaid Cymru's role as a progressive, forward-looking and growing political party. Could I also pay tribute to your party president, Jill Evans, for all her work making sure the voice of Wales is heard on a European stage. We have seen time and again that we cannot trust the UK government to represent Welsh interests in Europe. And I thank Jill for her close cooperation in EFA. We wish you every success for Plaid, for the people of Wales, for Wales as a nation in Europe. We are living through the exciting times as progressive, pro-European nationalists. We are all watching closely what is happening in Scotland, as we are monitoring other ongoing constitutional developments in nations like Catalonia, Galicia, the Basque Country and Flanders. Being a member of the only party that stands up for Wales is a privilege. Being a member of Plaid also means being a member of EFA. Together we work towards a better Europe where Wales and other confident nations can achieve their constitutional aims. Diolch yn fawr.